Hi guys, welcome to SA Kicks and Reviews. Today we're going to be unboxing and reviewing the iconic Adidas Superstars. This is one of the most iconic sneakers in history of all time, guys. This sneaker was invented in 1969 as a low-top basketball sneaker, but it quickly became famous off-court. This is definitely one of a kind and a very iconic sneaker. Guys, please remember to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell. These sneakers was endorsed by Run-D.M.C in the 1980s and definitely a sneaker to have for the sneaker lovers and for iconic look. So this is what the Superstars look like, guys. Definitely a different look and feel as compared to most sneakers. Definitely a lot of fakes out there as well. Today we're going to be going over the original qualities of the shoe. So as you can see, the shoe has a good weight to it, a very good weight to it, not light and flimsy at all. You can see the front of the shoe has a golf shell type cap to it, and that is the design of this Adidas Superstar. The back has an Adidas logo with your stitching going down the back. You can see the tongue of the shoe has the Adidas logo there, a gold Adidas logo. You can see on the left of the shoe we have the 3 stripes going down. As I've said, also pay attention to the weight of the shoe. You have 5 port breather holes at the side, 2 of them. You can see the perfect handcrafted stitching. You have a great than stitching on the side of it. Your stitching running down the back. This shoe is made impeccably and perfectly, guys. You can see your Superstar Go logo on the side there. Another 3 stripes with your 5 breather portholes. The most iconic thing of the shoe is the golf shell type toe cap, guys. Definitely iconic. You can see the stitching in the front, all done to perfection. The trademark of the Adidas Superstar is the golf type golf cap at the front. It has those rigid shell toe cap. On the inside you can see a tag that will show you your sneaker size as well as a QR code you can scan. Underneath you have a rigid effect, a rigid design to the sole, stamped with Adidas as well. Now these Superstars comes in many different colors and many different designs, guys. You can see your sneaker studs as well, your lace studs. You have 7 lace studs on this and 5 breather portholes. Be wary of that when purchasing the shoe, guys. As I've said, a lot of fakes out there. You can see on the left hand side that small stitching in the front of your toe cap. On the inside, as I've mentioned, is the information of the shoe. On the inside of the inner soles you have an Adidas stamp as well. There are no defects on the Superstar edition, guys, so be sure to check that when purchasing them. Underneath, your rigid effect on the soles, stamped with Adidas as well. And that's your Adidas Superstar, guys. Definitely iconic, a must to have.